kick. Right, is that everything? Pay for the petrol. Okay, as you can see, it's dark. I don't come out on this thing very often in the dark, but just itching this Friday night, just itching to have a little go on it. Started really well tonight. I think it really likes the better air, because when I was testing it the other day, low down it's groggy. I think it's too rich at under 2 revs. Absolutely rapid. It's probably 6:30, so not the best time, I'm sure, to come out. I've never had it going to the petrol station. It started to go down onto 3 cylinders, I suppose, and it just kept going, so I didn't conk out, but very nearly. Oh dear. What's this? Traffic lights. Hell of a queue. Wow, what's going on here then? Must be traffic lights, what a bullshit. Looks like a biker down. Little moped guys. Two of them, not good. Yeah, hard to ride fast in the darkness, baby. Hear that clutch scagging. Don't know what that's all about. I spoke to Nova and they said to take it all to bits, check it, and if it's still like it, I've got to take it down here and they'll have a look. Water. No, it's too dark. Comes up a tree. Yeah, clutch for a brand new clutch is not sounding very healthy. Yeah, it sounds shit. Well, not quite the evening I wanted. It gets too dark too quick. There's too much traffic, and I was going to do a flyby, but I think I'm going to have to do it in the day. You probably won't. Who wants to see a fast flying light go by? Not very much fun. Yeah, that clutch sounds well to me. Holy shit. Don't know if you can pick that out of the car on its side. What a nutty place. So it's that time of year, accident central. So I'm going home.